Okay, now please look. So what is alimentary canal? Alimentary canal means a tube that starts from your mouth and reaches up to the anus. It goes to the esophagus. First it goes to the mouth, then goes to pharynx, then goes to esophagus, then stomach, intestine, rectum, finally. And this entire tube or entire canal is known by the name alimentary canal. Now, so here you can find a comparison of the alimentary canal of a human being as well as that of a rabbit. And we will take the structure of each portion one by one. Now first you can find in the use of alimentary canal we have mouth. The cavity inside the mouth, this cavity inside the mouth is known by the name buccal cavity, otherwise known as mouth cavity. We don't use the term mouth cavity, the right term is buccal cavity. It's actually mouth cavity. Now mouth cavity or buccal cavity are actually protected at the front by means of teeth. So we have to see what is the structure of the teeth. So at the front we are finding different type of teeth. One purpose of the teeth is it is actually protecting your mouth and it is also helping in grinding and chewing. Then see the one important organ that is structure that is present in the mouth is the teeth. Now here you can find a picture of the teeth. Now if you look at the teeth, this is how the structure of the teeth is. The teeth is having two portions. One is an upper exposed portion which we call as crown. Then a certain portion of the teeth is below the gum or below the muscle, that is known by the name root. Now at the junction between crown and at the point between crown and the root, there is a small portion known by the name neck. So these are the different layers of the teeth. Now going to the inner structure of the teeth, we can find that on the outermost layer of the teeth is known by the enamel. One feature of the enamel is it is one of the hardest substances in your body. It is quite hard, so that it won't be easily damaged. So it is a very hard substance. Then below the enamel we are finding this dendrite. There is a cement known by the name dendrite. That is the next layer inside the skin. Now inner to the dendrite there is a cavity. There is a hole inside that. That hole is known by the root canal. This is known by the root canal. And it will be filled with dental pulp. Dental pulp actually means it consists of blood vessel will be there. It consists of nerves will be there. So these nerves and blood vessels are giving nourishment. It is because of the presence of nerves inside the root we are finding sensation. Because when we are biting it and we are biting something hard, that feeling is actually provided by the presence of nerves inside this dental pulp, and that will be going to the different organ, different nerves or blood vessels inside that. So this is a rough idea regarding the structure of the teeth. Here also you can find that there are different types of teeth. Certain teeth are known as brachydont. Some other teeth are known as hypsodont. You can very easily distinguish between what is a brachydont teeth and what is a hypsodont teeth. So if you take any teeth, the teeth will be having two portions, root and crown, and there will be next. The difference between hypsodont and brachydont is that in the case of hypsodont, this is the teeth will be very tall teeth are. And the crown portion is much higher, whereas in the case of brachydont means the crown will be very short. So if the crown or if the exposed portion is very short, we call it by the name brachydont dentition. If the exposed crown is very longer, we call it by the name hypsodont dentition. So this is how this is the hypsodont as well as this is the hypsodont dentition and this is the brachydont dentition. So you can find the difference between two. So these are the two different types of teeth. Now this is a structure of the skeleton of rabbit, we can find that these are the different teeth layered, different types of molar teeth. Now in the case of rabbit, there is a space between this molar teeth and the incisor teeth. This space is known by diastema. Diastema. We will tell you about the diastema. The presence of diastema is that one feature of the diastema is that here also you can find that this is the molar teeth and this is the incisor teeth. Between the molar teeth and incisor teeth we are finding a gap. That gap is present in rabbit only. So if you look at the skeleton of any animal, just look at the region, and if you are finding a structure, a gap like this, we can surely conclude that it is a skeleton of a rabbit. So diastema is actually the place where canine teeth is placed. In our body, we have different types of teeth. The front teeth is known as incisor teeth. On either side, if you look at the dog, there are two sharp pointed teeth. They are known as a canine teeth. And the canine teeth is absent in the case of rabbit. Because rabbit is not a meat-eating animal. It is a herbivorous plant-eating animal. The purpose of the canine teeth is that it is acting tearing of the meat, tearing of the flesh. So that function is not needed in the case of rabbit. It is basically eating grass or other kind of vegetables. That is why the teeth that should be present here is absent. And at the place of the canine teeth, we are finding a gap or a space. That space is known by the diastema. So in the case of rabbit, there is a space between incisor teeth and premolar teeth, and that is known as a diastema. Then you can find this is known as a carnassial teeth. Carnassial teeth is actually a type of teeth present in carnivorous animals. Now in the case of what are carnivorous animals? Lion, tiger, leopard, fox, etc. If you take those animals, the upper premolar and this is a lower premolar and upper molar, they are acting like a scissor. They are acting like a scissor and they can cut the meat easily. Just like scissors are cutting in paper or anything. These upper teeth as well as lower teeth are working like scissors, and they are known as carnassial teeth. These two teeth are known as carnassial teeth. Here also is shown here. They are known as carnassial teeth. The carnassial teeth are only present in carnivorous animals. Other animals we cannot find carnassial teeth because their purpose is to tear or cut the meat into different smaller portions. Then this is another type of teeth that you can see. Then here also you can find different types of teeth. We will come to that later. Then this is a type of teeth known as selenodont dentition. Now we have a portion called the functions of teeth. There we will be discussing more about that.